Do you want to learn drawing but your drawing is not so good? Are you frustrated and you can't afford expensive material? So in this video I'm going to draw a realistic drawing using a cheap drawing pencil which will only cost you around 60 rupees. So let's open the packet. The pencils are from Artline brand and I'm using this pencil for a long time. The packet consists of 6 pencils, 2B, 4B, 6B, 8B and 10B, which are mostly used in a drawing, and I think these are the best cheap pencils that you can get. So if you are a beginner and you wanted to learn drawing realistic, then I suggest you should start with the basic first. And what I mean from basic is using shape and geometry in your drawing. Geometric shapes plays an important role in the drawing, and it has been used from the ancient time and in oil painting as well. The next factor is shading. There are many ways of shading. If you want me to make a complete tutorial on drawing and shading, then comment below and let me know. If you like my channel, don't forget to subscribe and like the video. If you don't have a blending tool or blender, then you can use a brush. If you are really interested in videos like this, then help me to reach more subscribers and I will make you sure that you get more videos like this which will improve your drawing. So now I'm using Sakura white gel pen for the highlights and we are mostly done with the drawing. Hope you like it and you get to learn something new. Only this much for today. Meet you at the next video.